Python is the fastest growing language in terms of developers, libraries, and application that we can be used. It could be web development, artificial intelligence, machine learning, operating system, mobile application development, some video games. Anything that you can think of, Python has always got you covered. And that's why it is also called general purpose language. So in this tutorial, you can understand what Python is and why it is so useful, and you should learn it. Now before I get started, please subscribe my channel, and yes, don't forget to like, comment and share. So let's start. What is Python? As I mentioned, Python is a programming language, of course, but it is also an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language. But why Python is so famous? Wherever we have C, C++, Java, JavaScript, because Python is simple, easy to learn, syntax emphasis, readability, and therefore reduce the cost of program maintenance. That's why most of school colleges are teaching Python. You may be thinking, which company uses Python? Here are some companies like Google, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, whatever you see on the screen. These all are companies uses Python as a main language or as a support language. Now let's focus on the name Python. Why it's named Python? It looks like a snake. Not exactly. The author of Python is a big fan of British comedy movie called as Monty Python Flying Circles, and that's why he invented the name Python. Let's take a look how to install Python on Windows. Open a browser window, type Python. It will show various links on the screen. Click on the download link at python.org. Under the heading download the latest version of Windows, click on the link download Python. After completion of download, click open to run the installer. A dialog box would appear that looks something like this. Then just click run and follow the instruction. A few minutes later, you should have a working Python installation on your system. Let's start Python programming. In this program, we have used the built-in print function to print the string welcome to Python on our screen. Let's open our Python window. Go to file menu and take a new window. It will appear a new window. Type print bracket open. Here you can use single quote or double quote. Welcome to Python, quotation close, bracket close. Before we run the program, we have to save it first. Type a file name and save it. Now go to run menu and click the run module or press F5 key to run the program. Here it shows the result. Welcome to Python. Now let's understand what are the data types that we have Python. A data type is basically the out of data that you are trying to store in Python. So there are basically have 6 data types that you see on the screen. Now discuss about Python variables. Here is a program. Open a new window. Type a equal to double quote morning double quote close, print bracket open good plus a bracket close. First of all, we save the program. Type a file name and save it. Now run the program. Here it shows the result good morning. It is an example of Python variables. Now discussing about Python string. Here is a program. Type a equal to bracket open quotation hello comma welcome to Python quotation close bracket close, print bracket open a bracket close. First of all, we save the program. Type a file name and save it. Now run the program. Here it shows the result hello welcome to Python. Now discussing about Python float. Here is a program. Type num1 equal to input bracket open single quote enter first number quotation close bracket close, num2 equal to input bracket open single quote enter second number quotation close bracket close, sum equal to float bracket open num1 bracket close plus float bracket open num2 bracket close, print bracket open the total number is bracket close comma sum. First of all, we save the program. Type a file name and save it. Now run the program. Enter first number, enter second number, Here it shows the decimal part of result. Now discussing about Python integer. Here is a program. Type num1 equal to input bracket open single quote enter first number quotation close bracket close, num2 equal to input bracket open single quote enter second number quotation close bracket close, sum equal to int bracket open num1 bracket close plus int bracket open num2 bracket close, print bracket open the total number is bracket close comma sum. First of all we save the program, type a file name and save it. Now run the program. Enter first number, enter second number. Here it shows the result but not shows the decimal part of the answer. It is the main difference between float and int function.